Hi Maddie, I wanted to show you just a quick little video about making sure that you've handed in something. So you asked me about researching authors, and I just wanted to go down here and show you that in fact it's been handed in twice. I think you just wanted to make sure there was a glitch that it didn't work. But one thing that I want you to know that you can do yourself is to check your own. So just give me a second here. I'm going to impersonate you just so that I can show you from your account. So when you're on your course homepage, what you can go is into assignments. And when you look under researching author, it actually says that you've handed it in twice. So this is how you know that it's actually been handed in. This is how you know that you haven't handed in this assignment. I haven't gone through and given marks. If you haven't handed it in and it passes the deadline, you may see a 0. And a comment that it was not submitted. If you see something like this I believe was actually an assignment taken out that I have to take out of the grades or out of the assignment list. But this in particular, it shows you what you have submitted and what you haven't.